Hey, how are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine too. Hi, guys, and welcome back to Mindful Vibing. And today we are talking about being fine. So, a lot of times we use the word fine in our conversations whenever somebody asks us, how are we feeling? So, like you meet somebody, you ask them, how are you? And they are like, I'm fine. And then they ask you, how are you? And you say that you are fine. Now, I can understand that most of the times we do not want to let our emotions come out of us and be shown to the other person, because sometimes we are meeting people whom we do not really completely trust, and other times we feel like that if I show my sadness to them, or if I show that I'm going through grief, then it might come to them as a burden. So what happens in the process, although we do not really focus on this thing, we just think that it is a one time conversation and everything is fine. But as many times as you are repeating the word fine whenever somebody is asking you how are you, then your brain is actually rewiring yourself, convincing you in thinking that everything is fine and you need to go ahead with your life. So that is actually an autopilot mode of keeping you working as usual without addressing the emotions that you are going through. What this is doing, like I explained in one of my previous videos, that you can consider your mind to be like a refrigerator. So when you are keeping some food in the refrigerator and you forget about that food, then that food gets stale in some time, and after some time it starts stinking. So you forget about the food, but then when it starts stinking, you think about it and then you take it out of your fridge to maintain the health of the fridge and everything else that is in the refrigerator for that matter. So this exact same thing happens with your mind. Since as many times as you are saying that you are fine, your mind is not really able to address the emotions that you are going through, so it is making you work usual. But all of these negative emotions, be it jealousy or envy or grief, sadness, these are piling up in your head. So sooner or later you end up in a catharsis, you end up in a breakdown, and that is what we are suffering these days a lot from: stress, anxiety, and numerous breakdowns. Obviously, because of the limited human interaction, because of the work from home scenarios, specifically 2020 has been quite harsh on our mental health. But saying I am fine is actually worsening the entire situation. So I won't ask you to go ahead and tell anybody, if they're asking you how are you, then you just start telling your entire story to them. Sometimes we are not comfortable with that. Other times when you're talking about such things about your mental health or about your physical health with your family members, I would encourage you to be very much transparent about what exactly are you feeling, so you can address your emotions and other people can also help you out in that scenario. And in case you are not really able to communicate with somebody who is close to you or whom you trust, then what you can do is each night before going to sleep, you ask yourself, how am I feeling? And do not lie, or do not just wrap up the statement saying I am fine. Figure out how you are feeling. Are you feeling a feeling of sadness, a feeling of loneliness, or a feeling of happiness because you did something great in the day was very productive? Or you're feeling sad because of something that went south, that went wrong in your life? So address all of those emotions and write them down in a paper so that you're able to get the emotions out of your body. And all of the negative emotions, when those emotions will be out of your body, you will be only left with the positive ones that you have about yourself and about everything that surrounds you, about your life per se. I would just like to share a random fact over here. In 2005, the National Science Foundation released an article saying that an average human mind goes through around 12,000 to 60,000 thoughts in one day. Out of those thoughts, 80% thoughts are negative and 95% thoughts are repetitive. So if you are thinking about one thought today, for example, if I am thinking that I am sad today, then this thought is going to repeat itself the next day. And if I am getting this thought out of my system at the end of the night, then the next day my mind will be free to gather more new thoughts, and I can again narrow them down into just keeping the positive ones and getting rid of the negative ones. So this is how you can actually take care of your mental health and your confidence for that matter, because the more you are in sync, in balance with your inner self, the more positive you're feeling about yourself and your surroundings, the more it boosts your confidence. So next time, instead of saying I am fine to yourself, address your emotions, write them down, and get rid of all the negative emotions that you have in your head. I really hope that you liked this video. I hope that you learned something new. If you like this video, do like it, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And if you think that a friend needs to hear about this thing, share the video with them as well. I will get back to you again with another episode on mindfulness, on mindful vibing. Till then, stay safe, stay creative, and stay mindful. Bye-bye.